Ford claims manufacturing dominance. As CEO defends domestic production, Ford Motor Company is positioning itself as the undisputed leader of American automotive manufacturing. CEO Jim Farley recently highlighted the company's massive domestic footprint, noting that Ford produced more vehicles on U.S. soil last year than any other automaker, leading the domestic production race. According to recent data shared by Farley, Ford assembled over 2 million vehicles in the United States last year. This figure places the company significantly ahead of its competitors. Ford outpaced its nearest rival, Toyota, by approximately 350,000 vehicles. The scale of Ford's domestic commitment is further illustrated by two key metrics. Localization ratio. Roughly 83% of the vehicles Ford sells in the U.S. are manufactured within the country, a rate that far exceeds the industry average. Global export power. Ford exported approximately 311,000 U.S.-built vehicles to more than 60 international markets, including iconic models like the F-150, Bronco, and Mustang. The math of a community versus offshore profits. The emphasis on domestic manufacturing comes at a time when many global automakers have moved production offshore to capitalize on lower labor costs. Farley addressed this trend directly, framing Ford's strategy as a long-term investment in the American economic ecosystem rather than a pursuit of short-term margin gains. People ask why we fight so hard to keep assembly here when our competitors profited by moving production offshore. Farley stated, "It's because we understand the math of a community. When you assemble a vehicle in America, you are igniting an entire economic ecosystem. This economic ecosystem refers to the ripple effect of large-scale manufacturing. Ford currently employs approximately 56,300 hourly manufacturing workers in the U.S., the largest workforce of its kind in the domestic auto industry. The company argues that these jobs support not just individual households, but also local schools, small businesses, and regional economies, navigating the shift to electric vehicles while the broader automotive industry has faced a cooling period in electric vehicle EV adoption. Ford is recalibrating its strategy rather than retreating. The company is moving toward a diversified lineup that includes internal combustion engines, ICE, hybrids, and EVs. Key upcoming developments include new workforce expansion, plans to hire thousands of additional workers to support new production lines, affordability focus, the development of a new, affordable $30,000 pickup truck aimed at capturing a broader segment of the market, diversified powertrains, a strategic mix of gas, hybrid, and electric models to meet varying consumer demands. Why this matters: Ford's aggressive messaging serves a dual purpose. Domestically, it reinforces the brand's identity as a pillar of American industry. Internationally and politically, it serves as a preemptive defense against the potential influx of low-cost, Chinese-made electric vehicles. By highlighting its massive domestic workforce and manufacturing volume, Ford is framing the competition not just as a battle of technology, but as a battle for economic stability and national industrial strength. Conclusion: by prioritizing domestic manufacturing and large-scale local employment, Ford is attempting to distinguish itself from global rivals through a strategy of economic integration, aiming to secure its position as the primary driver of the American automotive landscape.